If you can draw a stick figure, you can draw a gingerbread person. First thing to do is to draw the head, but we're not going to draw the whole head. Complete it to about there. And then the gingerbread person doesn't really have a neck. Their neck just connects to their arm, comes out like this. And for the body, just bring down 2 straight vertical lines, about like this. And the leg comes out like the arm, hooks around. If you look at real gingerbreads, they're kind of wonky. Give 2 little circles for the eyes. And we're going to give him a little smile. Gotta be a happy boy. Following this vertical line from our sketch, we're going to add a bow tie, because this is a classy gingerbread man. Then just draw a little sideways triangle that goes into the circle. Another little sideways triangle. And then we'll add 1 button here and a second button here. Now we'll add the frosting to the arms. Just do 1 curve and a second curve. Then repeat it, 1 curve and a second curve. And down here, do the same thing with this little wave shape. Gonna add a highlight. Just draw an oval shape on the right side of the eye. And a smaller oval shape on the opposite side, on the lower part of the eye. We're just gonna color this in black. But this can be any color, honestly. Could make it white, pink, whatever. Now we'll draw the color. I'm gonna add highlights to the bow tie and the buttons in a similar way I did with the eyes, where they'll be facing the same way. So the top right. Now we'll give a little bit of shadow to the gingerbread, just to make it feel a little bit more 3D. And give them a little bit of highlights just to make it pop a little bit more. And that's an easy way to draw a gingerbread man. Please check out the other drawing tutorials on the channel. And thank you for watching and subscribing. See you in the next video.